As the summer break comes to a close and schools begin to reopen, students everywhere are preparing to embark on a new academic year. The start of a new school year is a time of excitement and anticipation, but it can also bring challenges and adjustments. To help students transition smoothly and make the most of the upcoming school year, here are the top 10 tips to help you start the academic year on the right note. 1. Set clear goals. Begin the school year by setting clear, achievable goals. Think about what you want to accomplish academically, socially, and personally. Setting goals provides direction and motivation. Write them down and refer to them regularly to stay focused. 2. Get organized. Organization is key to a successful school year. Use planners, calendars, or digital apps to keep track of assignments, tests, and extracurricular activities. Organize your study space at home with all the necessary supplies. A clutter-free environment can enhance your focus and productivity. 3. Establish a routine. Create a daily routine that includes time for schoolwork, extracurricular activities, and relaxation. Consistency helps in managing time effectively and reduces stress. Ensure you get adequate sleep each night to stay alert and energized throughout the day. 4. Stay positive. Approach the new academic year with a positive attitude. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Surround yourself with supportive friends and engage in activities that make you happy. A positive mindset can greatly influence your success. 5. Participate actively in class. Active participation in class can enhance your understanding of the material and make learning more enjoyable. Don't hesitate to ask questions, join discussions, and engage with the content. This not only helps you grasp concepts better, but also shows your teachers that you are interested and involved. 6. Develop good study habits. Effective study habits are crucial for academic success. Find out what works best for you, whether it's studying in short bursts, using flashcards, or teaching the material to someone else. Create a study schedule and stick to it, ensuring you review your notes regularly. 7. Stay healthy. Your physical and mental health are important. Eat balanced meals, stay hydrated, and get regular exercise. Practice mindfulness or meditation to keep stress levels in check. If you feel overwhelmed, don't hesitate to talk to a counselor or a trusted adult. 8. Use resources wisely. Take advantage of the resources available to you, such as the library, online databases, and study groups. Don't be afraid to ask for help from teachers or classmates if you're struggling with a topic. Utilizing resources effectively can make studying more efficient and less daunting. 9. Balance extracurricular activities. While extracurricular activities are important for personal development and college applications, it's crucial to balance them with your academic responsibilities. Choose activities that you are passionate about and manage your time to ensure they don't interfere with your studies. 10. Reflect and adjust. Periodically take time to reflect on your progress. Are you meeting your goals? Is your study routine effective? Be open to adjusting your strategies if something isn't working. Continuous self-assessment and flexibility are vital for sustained success. The beginning of a new academic year is a chance for a fresh start. By following these 10 tips, students can set themselves up for a successful and fulfilling school year. Remember that it's not just about academic achievements, but also about personal growth and development. Stay organized, stay positive, and most importantly, stay true to yourself. Here's to a productive and enjoyable school year ahead. Should you like this video, please share his video with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on success tips and tricks. We wish you all a great school year ahead.